This is an overview of Lesson 8, Volume as Multiplication, where the students will understand volume as multiplication of layers. So this builds upon our previous lesson where we were looking at multiplication or volume with addition. So to start this lesson out, I just have a quick number talk with the students, just to kind of get them to see that multiplication can also be viewed as addition. So I just display, 6 times 4, ask students to solve and think about, how did they solve it? And then put up these other two separately and just kind of, again, ask them, well, how did you get the answer for 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6? Did you think of it as 6 times 4? Just getting students to view the addition differently. So for the main part of this lesson, we kind of do similar to the previous lesson, but we are looking at that 6 by 3 by 4 prism again, and this time the students need to create a number sentence, and they can use multiplication and addition. So within their number sentence they have to use both. Again, there's 3 different ways, and so I have those recorded with the ones that we used from the previous lesson. So when just looking at it as an addition of layers, we had 24 plus 24 plus 24, but broken up into multiplication of layers, well, that was 6 times 4 plus 6 times 4 plus 6 times 4. So kind of want the students to kind of discover that on their own. I definitely have to walk around the room and kind of guide some groups that are struggling a bit. And to wrap up the activity, we get back out our isometric dot paper, and then I have the students draw that 6 by 3 by 4 prism and label or color the different layers that they use for multiplication and label them with what multiplication problem they use to solve that or to find that layer. And that's an overview of volume as multiplication.